Where? Where? She knew neither what to wear nor where to go. Colonel. Colonel. The colonel planted a single kernel of corn. There. There. Their books are on the table over there. Morning. Morning. They were mourning on a quiet morning. Principal. Principal. Well, my principal taught me the principle of life. Counsel. Counsel. The counsel asked her to give legal counsel. Road. 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 While I rowed the boat, the rowers biked down the road. Aisle. 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 He walked down the aisle and said, I'll visit the aisle tomorrow. And finally, rights, 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 and rights. It's right that Mr. Wright will write about the ancient rights. For more pronunciation tips like this, hit the subscribe. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.